In this showcase, I'm going to show you how do you create a customer codes that are AGD related in the PEPL network. First of all, you go to Business Partner modules, select Business Partner Master Data. Then you will enter the customer code as well as the customer name. You will also indicate the PEPL ID and mark this customer as AGD related. And don't forget to put in the AGD business unit here. You will also need to key in the email address as well as to maintain a contact person for this customer. And once you are done with this, you can just click on Add button to add this customer. Next, you will then go to the e-invoice and choose this customer by entering the customer name and select the contact person. You can also enter the reference number. You can also enter the description about the invoice, and you can enter the item number here in the detail line. I will use these two items as an example. I will choose these two items and make sure that you have already selected an account payment terms. Once you are done with this, click on Add and View to add this AR invoice into the system. There are some mandatory fields required by AGD. You will need to check the documents for the mandatory fields. For example, the business unit, the attention to, the invoice number, invoice date, vendor ID, email address, they are all mandatory, including the payment terms. How do we verify that these fields are present in the exported file? Let's go back to the SAP. Now the invoice has been added. We are being asked to send this document to the PEPL network. I will choose not to send, but to generate the documents into a file. I will save this into my documents folder. Then you can open up the documents. You will then see the information available in the documents. For example, the business unit, currency, the information of the invoice, description, the addresses. If you scroll down, you will see the email address, the customer name, payment terms, the tax calculations, the currency amount, tax amount, the line ID, description of the lines, quantity, and the currency, the amount of the lines, the currency, all are present in the file exported from SAP. So this will mean that the file is in the correct format, which AGD is able to receive. Thank you.